Welcome to Short Form Tech. I'm your host, Kenyon Long, and on this channel, I teach you tips and tricks to increase your social media footprint with short form videos. So, you already know what you need to do, like your mama does and your cousin does too. Hit that subscribe button, man. I see you watching, and I drop a new video every week, man. Shouts out to the squad. Hey, shouts out to you guys as well. I got the perfect TikTok green screen effect and the perfect way you need to use it. In the comments, Piccolo Squad, which I like Piccolo, you know, Dragon Ball Z, you already seen my laptop. Piccolo Squad asked the question, and he or she said that, how do you put the video on top of your head? Now, with this TikTok filter, you're gonna be able to use it multiple ways. And of course, at the end of this video, I'll teach you the best way to use this for additional videos, additional style videos that's viral right now. So all you gotta do is open up the app. We're gonna go over to TikTok. Wait, that's me right there. Okay, what's up? Go over to the green screen section. You're gonna choose this green screen filter. That's right, this one here. So you're gonna select that, and the next thing you know, you see a little picture right there, and it has a play button, and that is for video. Whenever you see a play button like that, that's for video. So this is cool, where you can take it. You can, there's two little buttons on the side. One of them lets you kind of rotate the video. So if it's a landscape video, if it's a vertical, you can turn it to landscape. Or if it's landscape, you want to turn it to vertical. If that works, then you can use that on the right-hand side to kind of spin it around. As you see, I'm just spinning. It's spinning, it's spinning. So I'm spinning it around. And of course, he or she wanted to know, how do you put it above your head? So you put it above your head or wherever you want it at. Select your video. Before you do anything else, select your video. As you can see, place your video in there, and it will now place your video wherever you want it, or on top of your head. Is that where you want it at? Wherever you want it at in your video. So that is how you do it. Load the video up. Now that video right there is for an ad I'm about to chop up. So don't judge me. You know what I mean? It's Batman right there. You know what I mean? The Dark Knight. Oh, man, great movie. This is another way you can use it. Of course, you guys know I do comment on viral videos. It's called a comedy clip show. And you can check it out on my Kenyon Long YouTube page. You can check that out. It's the main channel. So I have a show called Kenyon Comedy Clip Show. And I talk about viral videos. Of course, everybody does that, right? You've seen all these big YouTubers, big TikTokers, Facebook people, always doing reaction videos. Reaction video. Well, this is what you can use this effect for. Put it in, you're sitting in your car already, you can talk, place the video right beside yourself, and boom, you can start recording your reaction video as you're watching in real time. Not the hard way where I do it, where I got my iPad and I'm going off the top of my dome, improvising. This is the perfect way you want to do it quickly on the go, man. So hopefully, Piccolo Squad, you appreciate that. But go ahead, check out this next video after you hit that subscribe button. Check out this next video on how you can use this other green screen effect to get your TikTok on